I work 110 hours a week. I'm the hardest worker you'll ever meet. But today, I realized hard work is a lie. The warehouse pays the rent. The deliveries pay the debt. The night shift? That's for the dream. But my body is a battery at 1%. Then the head gasket blew, a $3,000 fix. That's not a repair bill, that's a death sentence. I'm trapped in a hole where I'm too tired to think and too poor to stop. In this building, they talk about passive income and scaling. I'm just trying to scale the next 6 hours without collapsing. The weight of the world is heavy, but the weight of a broken car, it's crushing. They say money can't buy happiness, but it can buy a way out. And right now, I'm willing to pay any price. Are you willing to?